Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In previous videos, I talked about list in Python and list comprehensions in Python. Right, in this video, I'll mainly focus on tuples in Python. So guys, I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Right, so now let's begin the lecture. Welcome to the course. It is part 4.2 in this Python series. Right, in this video, we'll see tuples in Python. So guys, here you can see we have the agenda here. First, we'll see what is tuple, and then we'll try to create the tuple, and we'll see indexing and slicing with the tuple, updating the values in the tuple, unpack, looping, join, and tuple method. Here you can see we have the question, what is tuple? A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable means immutable, right? Where in the case list is a mutable. That means we can change the values in the list and we can update the values in the list. But in the tuple, we can't update and we can't change the values. So that's why it is called immutable, right? Tuples are written with round brackets. In the list, we use square brackets, but in the tuple, we have to use this round brackets. It allows duplicates. Since the tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. That means it allows duplicates. Now let's see how to create tuples. First, take a variable a and round brackets, give some values. Yeah. Now print a. Yeah. Now you can see it is printing. Now we have to check the type of variable a. You can see it is giving tuple. That means we have created a tuple. It is a one way of creating. Second way, it is tuple constructor. Tuple, tuple. I'm taking another variable b, tuple. I'm passing a list values 5. Now you can see it is giving the tuple only. But here I passed list values, but it is giving tuple. That means we are converting into the tuple. In the same place, we can pass directly tuple also. Yeah, now you can see it is giving, right? In the definition, it allows duplicates. Here you can see I've given 6 for 2 times. That means it is allowing duplicates. I said it is unmutable. So guys, in the definition, I say it is immutable, right? So let's try to update the value of 1. B of index 1, I'm getting index of 1 is I'm getting 2. But I want to update this one. Index of 0 is 1, right? I want to update this value with the same list concept. Here I'm going to give b. Yeah, now you can see it is giving error. That means tuple object does not support item assignment, so you can't update the values. But I want to try with the append method also. We have append method in the list, right? I'm appending e. Yeah, now you can see tuple object has no append method. That means you can't change the values in the tuple once we assign the values, right? So now let's see the indexing. As I told you in the previous videos, like list in Python, we have indexing 2 types, positive and negative, right? Starts from left to right. Negative starts from right to left. First I want to access b. Here you can see I got all the elements from the b. Now I want to get this 2, index of 2. You can see I got the 6 because the index of 6 is 2, but I want to get this 2. Here I want to give 1. You can see it is giving 1. The indexing starts from 0. In the place of 1, the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to get this 54. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got this 54. Now I want to get the same 54 with the negative indexing. That means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It is -2. Yeah, you can see I got this. I want this 2. That means -4. I got this 2, right? Slicing means accessing bunch of element. You can see guys, with the indexing we are getting only one value, but with the slicing we can get bunch of values. The slicing contains start, stop and step. In the B, I want to start from the 0 and stop at the index of 3. Yeah, I got from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. It won't give 54, but I want to get 54 also. Yeah, you can see it is giving 54, but it is not giving 6. That means it stopped at the index of 4 only. I want to get this 6 also. Now give it 5. Yeah, I got this complete. Or else remove this stop. You will get the complete tuple, right? With the same negative indexing also. Don't give the starting number, just give the ending number. Yeah, I got the same. But here I miss 6, right? Don't give any stop and it will give the complete tuple. So guys, in the list I discussed indexing and slicing in depth. If you want a clear understanding, watch that video, list in Python, right? Now I want to update the tuple. Here you can see once a tuple is created, you can't change its values. Tuples are unchangeable, that means are immutable, it is called. But there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into the list and then change the list and tuple. Here you can see I have this. I just want to decode this program. First I have created a tuple with the values apple, banana and cherry, right? Here I'm converting it into the list. That means we can change the items in the list, right? So now in the place of banana I'm giving kiwi, right? Now you can see the list is updated. Now I want to convert the same list into the tuple. With the tuple constructor I'm passing y, that means this list, right? Now you can see it is giving apple. The type of x is tuple. So it is updation. Every time if you want to change the items in the tuple, you have to convert into the list and then do the modifications and then convert back into the tuple. Unpack. Now let's say the unpacking. I have these 3 values in the tuple. I want to unpack it. I want to give 3 variable names a, b and c. Here I'm passing x. For these 3 items I'm assigning separate variables for apple, kiwi and cherry. For a I'm getting apple, for b I'm getting kiwi and for c it is cherry, right? So now let's see the looping. For I in x I want to print all the elements in the tuple. Now you can see I'm getting all the elements in the tuple. You can add if else conditions in the tuple also. If I equal to apple, now you can see when I reaches to the apple it will print only the apple. Now I want to print the complete I. You can see first it is giving apple, that means we found apple in this iteration. After the execution of this condition I want to print the complete in the tuple, right? Now you can see joining the tuple. First I want to create 2 tuples. For the b I'm assigning a, b and c. For the d variable I'm giving integer, float, string, boolean, right? Now I want to add these 2 tuples. I want to take another variable where b plus d, where it is giving the complete tuple. That means it is adding the 2 tuples, right? So guys, we have only 2 methods available in the tuple. Press the tab button. You will get only these 2 methods, right? Count and index. So guys, we have 2 methods in tuple. One is count and one is index, right? So first I have to create the variable list I've taken and then values 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, right? First method is count. 3 dot count. I want to count 1. You can see I have 2 ones in my tuple. I want to add some more ones in our tuple. Yeah, now you can see I have this 4 ones in tuple. I want to check the same for 2. I have 2 2's, right? And the second one is index. I want to check the index of 1 only. It is giving only the index for this one, right? I want to check the index for 2. Yeah, you can see it is giving index for 2. For the starting index of 2 is 1. So guys, we have covered all the topics in the agenda, right? So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. So guys, see you in the next video.